We are in our chapters of cubes and cube roots. So before that, since I have finished my correction, I am ready with your marks. So do you want to know marks? Of course, you will be asking every day, where you will say no. So okay, I have entered. First, I want to congratulate those who did very nicely and got full marks. So I will first say their name. Ashida, 25 out of 25. Very good, Ashida. Rizwana Begum, 24 and a half. So very good mark. Very good. Caleb, I can't be waiting for anybody. Time will run. So just listen. Next, who got means Navina. M.R. Navina. Very good, Navina. Salvia Angelin, 25. Very good. Sanjana, 25. Very good, Sanjana. Then comes the C section. Afzal Raja, 25 this time. Very good. Arjun, 25. Very good. Giona, 25. Very good. Harihara Sudhan, 25. Very good. Jude Bose, 25. Very good. It was the first paper that I corrected. I cannot repeat anybody's mark. Once only I can see. Okay. So these children got full marks. Very, very good. Now, from the beginning, I am saying your marks also will be there. Here, those who got 25, their marks also will be here when I read the name. Just once only. Ma'am, me, what mistake I left, what happened, that 1 mark where it went, the stories and all, I'm not here to say, right? Once only I'll say the marks. Listen to your marks properly. Understood? Then don't ask what is my friend mark, what is his mark, this mark. No stories, nothing. If you are joining late, that's your problem, not my problem, right? So listen. Ashida, 1000 times we won't be repeating Ashida. Your name starts first, so I am starting from your name. As I already told, again you are asking. Ashida, 25. Good. Deepshika, 13. Dushani, 1.5. Dushani must improve. Otherwise, you can't move to the next grade, remember. If you get marks like this, we will retain 1 more year. Dushani, 1.5, very poor. Nothing was there in the paper. Harsha, 11. Monica Sugumar, 23. Actually, Monica did very nicely, but late submission. On which day the cycle test, that day only I won the paper. The next day afternoon you will submit, means like this only will. Okay. Then Pakirthan, 18.5. Princeton, 6.5. Princeton and all should improve, must get pass mark. Rashika Fatima, 8.5. Rizwana Begum, 24.5. Very nice. Ritvik Charan, 1.5. Ritvik, you must improve if you want to move to the next grade. Shamira Arafat, 3. Swaminathan, 7. These children must improve, no other way. Must pass. Tanishka J, 20 marks. Varnika, 12 marks. What he wrote is what you got. Afshin Rina Fatima, 2 marks. Amrita, 15.5. Anushri, 18. Okay, Amrita 15.5, Anushri 18. Fasil Ahmad, 17.5. In a line only I am saying, section wise. Quietly listen. Okay, Fasil Ahmad, 17.5. Harish, 17. Hassan, 15. John Emil, 17.5. Karthik Pandian, 15.5. Mahesh, 19. Navina M.R., 25. Rimsha Fatima, 19.5. Sailesh Aditya, 18.5. Salvia Angelin, 25. Sanjana, 25. Tamilinian, 13.5. Ahmad Fatin, 8.5. Afsal Raja, 25. Amildinian, 14.5. Arjun, 25. Caleb, 12.5. Diyashri, 24. Just 1 mark went for Diyashri. You did nicely. Giona, 25. Hariharasudan, 25. Induja, 7. Jude Bose, 25. Very good. Then Kartikeyan, 19. Kartikeyan also late submission. 19 marks. Kasturi Mahadevan, 21.5. Muhammad Irfan, 23. Muhammad Idris Khan, 14.5. Pugarendi, 14. Rahul Ranjan, 17.5. Sanjay, 21.5. Sheikh Ali, 18.5. Shivanuja, 21.5. Kasturi, stop asking questions. Shivanuja, 21.5. Tanishka, yes, 22. Trinity, 17.5. That's all. These were the papers I got. Kanishka, my name you are asking. I didn't get your paper. Then somebody who is asking, Danumalia, I didn't get your paper. Then who is that? Balaganga was continuously asking. I didn't get any paper. If I get only, we can give the marks. These were only the papers which I got the link. I finished the first day. I did not upload, ma'am. Who is telling something? Who is, ma'am? You must have sent, ma. I must get the link now. Properly, when you upload, I'll get the link, right? So, these are the marks. Many did very nicely. Okay, I sent, you may say, but I must get the link, no? If I get the link, in a line only order, I do correction. Right? Those who are sending late, definitely, I will minus the marks for them. That is, definite it is there. Because which day we keep cycle test, that day itself, I want the paper. Right? Now, if your name, I didn't call your name and you have uploaded, which I didn't get means, again you upload. Okay? Again you upload, so that we will be getting your paper. Yes. What to do? Like that only. So definitely, late submission will carry a negative marks only. Properly first day, which day cycle test, that day, 1,000 times we told. 4 o'clock you are getting the paper. 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock, within that day I want the paper. I will get along with the timing. Next day afternoon, next day night, next day evening and all, I will definitely, negative markings I will give one. I will take the marks and will give. That is natural. But many did very nicely this time while comparing to the last year, I think so. Did nicely. Many of you got low marks also. Many were failures also. As I already told, 2, 3, 1.5. They and all, they did not write anything. They just wrote the question. 2 marks got means what is the meaning? What is there? Same question like that you wrote instead of striking. Many of you, God knows, something here by the denominator, something, you have to strike the numerator and denominator. You are doing this and this cancelling. Right? So like that shouldn't do. Now stop telling about your paper, I did that, did this. Okay, I already finished off the correction. I know who did how. Okay? Now just listen. Now, another thing, many of you left mistake is one number to take as P, one number to take as Q. In the question, I have asked that commutative property of division. What do you mean by division? Division means P divides Q is not equal to Q divides P. This is what the question is. And all of you, many of you, 50% of the students, you did this. Who is asking about addition? Where I asked? I didn't tell about the commutative property of addition. Division means you understand what I mean by division. Taking in the morning, I gave revision also. I told commutative property of division. I gave you one example, some other question, and I told you how to do. Take one number as a rational number as P, another one as Q, and how to do. Many of you took the LCM and got something 31 by 25, 25 by 31. What is that? This is not asked in the question paper. It may be commutative property. What I asked, you must go through, no? Commutative property, associative property. In the exam, I can ask anything particular to the sign. Distributive property of addition, of multiplication on addition. Distributive property of multiplication on subtraction. Look at the question, what it is, and proceed according to that. LCM means LCM. Division means to change as multiplication, then reciprocal of this Q. Then to strike, then to get the answer. Easy one. Same thing in the last brackets question. I asked one number divides by the other two numbers, whatever number it may be. I asked like this. First, according to rule, 1000 times or more than 1000 times, we told first do the bracket. First solve this. Many of you directly multiplied without striking anything. Many of you directly got everything in multiplication and strike and got something. This is division. This is multiplication. There should be something, no, to differentiate between them. What is there to simply write like this? You wrote like this and did all cancellation wherever you want, whatever you want. I gave 1 0. Finished. Remember, this is division symbol means the first number divides. These both to solve and to simplify and to bring the number. Then this division changes to multiplication in the next step. This number becomes a reciprocal reverse. Then after striking, you will get that, what is that? 25 by 6. After doing that only, we'll get. So that is the process. I am not talking about the cycle test alone. I am talking about in every test what you must proceed. After this, summative also, you will have the same portion, essay 1. At that time also must be careful. So what we ask, understand which property ask, so what is asked and do that. And distributive property, LHS I told to solve separately. First that 4 by 7, then the LCM of this 2, and then to multiply and get something, the 17 by what was there? 17 by 14 something it was. Then right side to solve multiplication, then LCM, then only should prove LHS is equal to RHS. And where and all we get negatives, negatives must, negative 14 by 12 means only we'll get marks. For Rizwana Begum, for that only I have cutted the marks. This negative was missing. After this, 7 2s are, 6 2s are, at least should write minus 7 by 6. Or this also I gave marks. Many of you did not strike at all. You wrote minus 14 by 12. I gave you. But I will not give for plus 14 by 12. I will not give you. My negative symbol must be there because the number, the answer carries negative. It has a value. So sign, if it is a problem, sign is not there, I will cut the marks definitely. For striking alone, I allowed. Some of you wrote up to this. Some of you stopped here. You don't know what to do. You stopped here, but I gave you full marks. If the negative symbol was there, I gave. Some were very intelligent. They wrote that 1 6 are 6, remainder 1, 1 by 6. They wrote up to here. For all these 3 answers, I gave mark, but negative sign is a must for all the numbers. Some of you wrote up to here, some wrote stopped here, some stopped here. So it is according to how you carry. It must be neat. And Navina, even though you got full marks, your handwriting is not neat. Presentation should be nice and neat. Wherever you want, you are working out and you are writing. Steps and all you are missing. Like this, next time I will not give full. This time I gave. In a line, all the steps must be there compulsory. Yes, it's okay, Kasturi. Anyway, you got good marks only. So nicely follow step-by-step process. Learn how to do. It's an easy chapter on. Okay, so that is the thing. Sent 2 times Balaganga, there is no use. Even 100 times you may send. I must get no. What I have sent 2 times, 3 times. Uploading problem may be there. Network issue may be there. That's what I didn't get. All have sent and I got. Your paper I didn't get. Then what is the use then? Which day cycle test? That day. At least I told you the marks so that you know that whose paper is not there. Which students wrote properly, honestly, and your paper is not there, try to send it again, I will do the correction. But negative marking definitely will be there because you are submitting late. That day you may have uploaded, I agree. You might have uploaded, but I must get no. What to do? If I get, I will do the correction and will tell you. If I am not getting, from where to bring your paper? Yes. Salvia's paper neat only. Understood? Now let us pass on to our work. Where we are, right? Now, cubes and cube roots. So next cycle test also do very, very nicely and try to get good marks in maths. Then only report card grade will improve. Okay. Suddenly in one day we cannot do magic. Each and every day, if you keep on doing the maths nicely in all the chapters, your grade will automatically improve to A plus or whatever it is, first grade. Otherwise, will become B, C like that one. Yes, shall be already getting only. Only thing when you show you in your video, show it properly when you show the problem. Use a dark pen. That is important. Okay. Otherwise, no problem. Each and every day when you practice properly, will get. Otherwise, if you get fail marks, keeping on getting, you may think that online only, no, we can get whatever we want. It's not so. We are entering in the report card, and if your marks are keeping on, you are getting fail marks for the full year, you will be retained in the same class. Your friends will go to next class. You have to sit here only. Even after the school reopens, you will be sitting in the same class. All your friends, those who got good marks, showed improvement, they will jump to the next class 9th. And you will see yourself sitting in 8th. And that we don't want. So try to get pass mark. Everybody, those who got fail marks today, try to improve and get full marks. This is very easy. For one chapter, there is nothing to get 2 marks, 3 marks, 1.5 marks and all. It's not so. It is only because you are careless. My Vidi and all paper I didn't get. I don't know. So that day what we told about if the numbers, if we want to know the particular, I already taught for 5 cube. Okay, 5 cube we already taught. So now example today, this example I am taking. That day I told you in order to find the cube of a given number, okay, by adding the list of the odd numbers, consecutive odd numbers, means without multiplying. Now by multiplication we know this is 7 7 49, 49 7. We don't want like this. I am not asking the cube. I am asking 7 cube without multiplication by means of, by the sum of the consecutive odd numbers. When I want to write, I must use the formula. What formula? N into n minus 1 plus 1. This formula to use in order to find the first addend and consecutive addend. When I want to write the next odd numbers, what I must do? The question will be finding the 7 cube without multiplication, without actual multiplication. How to find out 7 cube? Without actual multiplication. This is the question what is given in the textbook. I am talking about page number 48, example 4. Example 3, I already discussed on that day. So this is example 4. Page 48. Example 3 is about 5 cube. Example 4 is about 7 cube. We stopped at 5 cube only. I completed that question and I told the next question we'll see in the next class. Another cube I told. So, n into n minus 1 plus 1. Here the n is in this place. Here what is n? N is equal to 7. N is 7. So how to proceed? 7 into 7 minus 1 plus 1. I am substituting this n in the formula. Now 7 into 7 minus 1 is 6. 7 6 are. Many of you still are not thorough with the formula or with the table. That is the reason you are not getting proper marks. Many of you wrote 6 5s are 35 and you did the LCM, everything. 6 5s are 30, 7 5s are only 35, you don't know that. You did by 6, the numerator, denominator, you got it. And striking also, with whatever you want, you are striking. 13 table, 4 table, 2 table, all wrong. So learn tables, multiply and see. Okay? 7 6 are. Now if you submit along with the negative marking only, we'll give. Okay? But at least submit the paper. 7 6 are 42, 42 plus 1 43. Which day cycle test, that day only should get. So this is the 43. This is the first addend. Now what I must do? 7 cube is equal to, this is my first addend. That day I wrote to know the first addend. First addend we use this formula, which means the first odd number. I want to write 7 consecutive odd numbers. 43. Next is 45. Next is 47. Next is 49. Odd numbers alone. How many? 7 odd numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Stop. 7 consecutive odd numbers. For finding this first odd number only, we use the formula. We have to use. So whenever a number is asked to find the cube without actual multiplication, we have to list out the odd numbers. How to find in square roots? We start from 1. So there won't be any problem. 1 plus 3 plus 7 plus 9. Like that we start. Here it is not so. In cube roots, we have to apply the formula. We have to get the first addend by applying this. Then we have to start at that number. And how many asked? 13 asked, 13 numbers list out. 7 asked, 7 numbers list out. So 7 odd numbers. Consecutive means in a line. Next. So when I add this, 5 plus 3, 8 plus 5, 15 plus 9, 24, 25, 28, 28 plus 5, 33, 3, carried over 3, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 4, 15, 15 plus 4, 19, 19 plus 5, 24, 29, 29 plus 5, 34. 343 is my answer. So 7 power 3, yes, 7 power 3 is 343 only. 7 7s are 49, 49 7s are 343. So automatically we'll get, but we have to use this formula and get it. I must not do multiplication. I don't want, this is not the chapter for doing multiplication and telling the answer. This everyone can do. The chapter is about using the formula, getting the first addend, using the first addend, listing out the remaining one, starting from that. Writing one number, leaving one number and writing only the odd numbers. The formula itself is like that. Sum of consecutive odd numbers from this number. So we got the answer. This all is given in that page number 48. See, we know from the properties of cube numbers that it can be expressed as a sum of the consecutive odd numbers. So for 7 power 3, there will be 7 addends. And the first addend will be the 22nd odd number, which is 43. That is using this formula finding. Okay, 43 plus 45 plus this is 343. They gave this. In the box, they gave this one. See, in the tips box, it is given, this formula. Page number 48, everything is given. If you have a textbook, go through that. Otherwise, afterwards, go through. So this is the way to do. Now, finding out whether a number is a perfect cube or not. Identifying a perfect cube. Down some examples are there. So let us see some 2 examples. Then we can enter into exercise. Exercise we have like this problem. We will do that. But before that, let us finish some 2 examples. Whether, now identifying a perfect cube. Whether the given number is a cube or not. How to find out? Check. Now example is check whether 1728 is a, like these questions I will ask in the exam. Like a perfect square, like that only. Like a perfect cube or not. This is the question. For that, what we need to do? First, we need to find the prime factors of this number. Now, for a perfect square, what I told, for example, these are perfect squares. Square time, two numbers we must get. We used to say that, correct? So inside the root, when I get 2, like this 2 squared, 3 squared, 1, 2 will jump out. Through 3's means 1, 3 will jump out. Jumping out means the root will go and the number alone will come. This is about square roots. Same thing now about the cube roots. When we want to know about cube roots, 3 numbers it must come. For example, 2's means 3 3's. 3 2's. 2 into 2 into 2. So 1 2 will come out. 3 3 3. 1 3 will come out. So that way, if it is not so, it is not a perfect cube. If it is so, all the numbers, the prime factors should come as a 3 3. 3 numbers it must come. So that is the way. Now listen, don't ask any questions or don't answer anything. Now using prime factorization method, let us find even number. So I am starting by 2. If you cannot do directly, do the division and copy the answer. 8 2's are 16, 1 carried, so 12, 6 2's are 12, 4 2's are 8. When you do directly, be proper in doing. If you leave mistakes, full marks will go. So you can do division and can copy the answer. 4 2's are 8, 3 2's are 6, 2 2's are 4. Okay, again, 2 2's are 4, 1 2's are 2, 12, 6 2's are 12. Now this number will go in 2 also, 3 also. I want to do in 3. 7 3's are 21, 2 3's are 6. You can do in 2 table also, right? Now, this also will go like that. 2 3's are 6. Remainder 1, 12, 4 3's are 12, 24. Again, this number also will go in 3 also, 2 also. I want 3 3's, so I did. Now, 8 3's are 24. Right? Again, 8 and 2. 2. 4 2's are 8. 4. Again from 4. 2 2's are 4. 1 2's are 2. I stopped at 1. So up to 1, you have to keep on doing. What I did normally how we divide successive division by means of only prime numbers. Prime factorization only. Now what I'm going to do is equal to, I'll write in the corner, so that now we are going to find the cube. Whether all the numbers are in cubes or not. 1, 2, 3. These 3, they are 2 power 3, which means 3 times. Yes, it is coming in 3 times. Multiplication. 1, 2, 3. 3 times. Here 1, 2 is here, second 2, third 2. Again 3 times. Yes. All the numbers are exactly coming as 3, 3, 3. Okay. So yes. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 12 power 3. When we write like this also, we can write. Or when we do cube roots, we have to do the marking like this. That time cube roots. Now only cube. So no root. I didn't mention root. This is only a cube. All the numbers are coming in cubes. Yes. Yes, it is a perfect cube. This number. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 12 power 3. Or directly after this also you can write, yes, it is a perfect cube. Sometimes some numbers will not come as 3. Some it will be coming only 2 times. Only 2 2s. 1 2 will be missing. So that time we have to say it is not a perfect cube. Okay. Next class we will see about the example about not a cube also. This is about a cube. Understood clearly? Next class we will see about which is not a cube. Then we will enter into the exercise.